an acclaimed American poet, storyteller, civil rights activist, autobiographer, director, and most importantly, a positive thinker, Maya Angelou was born as Margaret Annie Johnson on 4th April 1928 and lived up to 28th May 2014. She is best known for her works on 7 series of autobiographies, 3 books of essays, several books of poetry, a list of plays, movies, and television shows. She received a dozen of awards and more than 50 honorary degrees. Her series of 7 autobiographies, for which she is best known to all of us, are her experiences of childhood and her adult age. Angelou is also noted as being the second poet in history after Robert Frost and the first female poet to recite a poem at a presidential inauguration of Bill Clinton in 1993. Her notable works include I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, On the Pulse of Morning, etc. She was also respected as a spokesperson for black people. Her works show a defense of black culture. Her writings primarily center on themes of racism, identity, family, and travel. Angelou is also noted to be the Hollywood's first female black director. She was awarded the National Medal of Art by President Bill Clinton in 2000. Later, in 2010, she was honored by the Presidential Medal of Freedom, which is the highest civilian honor in the US. This award was provided to her by President Barack Obama. But the most important thing here to understand is that Angelou was not a by-born success. She got it by her deeds. In her first autobiography, she explains how she was cuddled and raped just at the age of 7. Then, due to this, she remained speechless for almost 5 years. Thanks to Mrs. Flowers, as she says in her children's book, Mrs. Flowers, A Moment of Friendship, who emphasized and taught her the importance of spoken word and education, and instilled in her a love of poetry. Starting her career just as a streetcar conductor at the age of 17 to being a well-renowned legendary poet of all times, she did work very hard. And if you too all want a way to love life beyond all the difficulties and challenges, then these inspirational quotes full of experiences are just for you all. Stay tuned for the second half of the video. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. A wise woman wishes to be no one's enemy. A wise woman refuses to be anyone's victim. My mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive, and to do so with some passion, some compassion, some humor, and some style. My great hope is to laugh as much as I cry, to get my work done and try to love somebody and have the courage to accept the love in return. Courage is the most important of all the virtues, because without courage you can't practice any other virtues consistently. You can practice any virtue erratically, but nothing consistently without courage. We may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. All great achievements require time. History, despite its wrenching pain, cannot be unlived, but if faced with courage, need not be lived again. You are the sum total of everything you have ever seen, heard, eaten, smelled, been told, forgot. It's all there. Everything influences each of us, and because of that, I try to make sure that my experiences are positive. You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lines. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I will rise. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. Since time is the one immaterial object which we cannot influence, neither speed up nor slow down, add to nor diminish, it is an imponderably valuable gift. I have learned that I still have a lot to learn. Nothing will work unless you do. Whatever you want to do, if you want to be great at it, you have to love it and be able to make sacrifices for it. It's one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself, to forgive. Forgive everybody. I believe that every person is born with talent. In all my work, I try to say, you may be given a load of sour lemons. Why not try to make a dozen lemon meringue pies? I know for sure that love saves me and that it is here to save us all. Let nothing dim the light that shines from within. Remember, people will judge you by your actions, not your intentions. You may have a heart of gold, but so does a hard-boiled egg. I learned a long time ago, the wisest thing I can do is be on my own side, be an advocate for myself and others like me. It is a no-fail incontrovertible reality. If you get, give. If you learn, teach. You can't do anything with that except do it. If you are always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. I have learned that whenever I decide something with an open heart, I usually make the right decision. Seek patience and passion in equal amounts. Patience alone will not build the temple. Passion alone will destroy its walls.